In the crazy world of stock trading, where the market's more crowded than a yoga class after New Year's resolutions kick in, it's easy to feel like you're drowning in a sea of endless information. We're talking free ebooks that read like stereo instructions, courses that cost more than your coffee addiction, and YouTube gurus who might as well be selling magic beans. And let's be honest, trying to sift through what's legit and what's better off as a digital landfill is about as easy as herding cats. Hi there, Mark Yegi here, and you guessed it, that was once me, knee-deep in the trading trenches and just as flustered. And that's precisely why I'm here filming this video. I'm your financial Sherpa, ready to guide you past the mountain of BS and provide a crystal clear A to Z guide on how to start trading stocks for complete beginners. No smoke, no mirrors, just pure, unadulterated trading truths. Now, don't expect me to tie this up with a fancy ribbon and slap a $299 price tag on it. Nope, this is free like that extra guac at your favorite taco spot. Just kidding, that's never free. But this video series is, and that's a breath of fresh financial air, isn't it? Having traded for about 40 years, I've seen more charts than an 80-year-old proctologist. My mission? To streamline all that information into bite-sized digestible nuggets so that you can grasp the essentials quicker than you can say, bullish breakout. Now, one question I get bombarded with daily is, what stock should I trade? Is it Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, or should I find some meme stock like GameStop? What if I told you that it's not the most important thing in trading? Yep, you heard me right. Picking the right stock is only a part of the game. Here's where most rookie traders trip up. They dive into the market head first with their life savings, usually after seeing some dude on Instagram in front of a Ferrari thinking, hey, that looks like a piece of cake. Spoiler alert, it's not, and they often lose their shirts faster than at a beach party. Or they hear Kramer or somebody talking about a stock and they think, it can't be that hard. Well, listen, that's partially right. It isn't that hard, but you got to know a few rules and you got to have a trading plan. Now, this tragic tale is all too common, but fear not. I've got a secret weapon to prevent this heartache. Enter stage left, trading simulators or paper trading. It's like Monopoly money meets Wall Street. You can test strategies, experiment with risk management, and practice not throwing your computer out the window when trades go south, all without risking a dime. Many skip this crucial step, and honestly, it's an important step to trading success. Why do I rank it as step numero uno? Because practice makes profit, my friends. And there are tons of simulators out there. Some will cost you, but most of the platforms out there let you set up paper trading accounts for free so that you can start testing out your trading plans. And oh yes, you're gonna need a trading plan. Trust me on that. So start paper trading and pretend that fake money is real as your mom's Sunday roast. Record every trade, win or lose. Analyze what you traded and where you bailed. The journaling that you do is going to help you turbocharge your trading skills, giving you a PhD in profit making. Remember, when you're just starting out, don't fixate on the money. Focus on honing your strategy and soaking up all of the trading knowledge like a sponge. Trust me, follow these steps and the money will follow like a loyal puppy. Oh, and focus on the good quality, big money institutional stocks. Don't get sucked into these little penny stocks or the ones that are cheap. Go for quality in a company that you like. Now, I'm thinking of making this a full-blown series where we cover everything from risk management to the psychology of trading, from candlestick patterns to market structures, to when to buy, when to sell, when to hold, right? And the whole enchilada of trading knowledge from A to Z. That's what I want to do. If you're down for this ride and you want to see this happen, smash that like button. If we get 1,000 likes, I'll drop this trading knowledge bomb as a complete series, giving you the blueprint to start trading stocks from scratch. Let's light this candle.